Hey friends, if you wish to fix download error 0x80248018, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Check for Updates. The next solution is a disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. The next solution is to check for the status of services. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Windows Update service. Right click on this and make sure that it is started. If not, then restart it or start it and wait for it to complete. Then scroll up to the background intelligence transfer service. Right click on it, select restart. Then the next stage, you have to restart the cryptographic service. So it is under C because this is in an alphabetical order. Right click on it and select restart and then click on yes. Lastly, if everything else fails, then as a workaround, you can download the updates manually. So open the Microsoft Update Catalog. Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to catalog.update.microsoft.com and now type the latest month in the MMYYYY format. So if it's May 2024, type 05-2024 and hit enter. Okay, and wait for it to load. And the latest cumulative update will be here. Click on download, and then once it opens up, click on this MSU file here. It will download it and then you click on open. But here's one catch. So here's the thing. What if you are in the first week of May and there was no update? In that case, you can check for updates in the previous month. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.